Here's how to remove the ball joints from the balls on the tonneau cover lift and tonneau cover extension cylinders. They have black spring retaining clips around the balls that hold the ball joint in place, and there's a little groove behind the ball that you can slide a small flat screwdriver into. I have here an 1/8 inch screwdriver. It's easy to slide into the gap. You lever it over a little bit, and all you have to do is slide this clip down maybe 1/8 of an inch. It'll rest in the expanded position. Now you can put a lever behind this ball joint and pop it off the ball. I'm using a maybe 3/8 inch screwdriver here. Just put it behind here, turn, and they are separated. Later, to put them back together, all you have to do is push the ball joint back on, slide the clip into place. Done. Easy, right? Okay, let's remove the top ball joint first. Slide the clip down a little bit. Pry the ball off the joint. Get at the bottom clip from the top, screwdriver into the groove, lever the clip over into the resting position. And pop the whole thing off. Next, we cut the zip tie, pull the hoses out of their holders, and upon remounting, we make sure that there is still enough slack for the hoses to not touch the hinge back here. Too much slack is not good, because it will make the hoses get caught somewhere, but we don't want them to be tight anywhere during the movement of the top. Zip tie cut. Cylinder put down. Hose is moved out of the clip, and the cylinder is out of the way. Next, we simply install the matching cylinder from the new set. First, we clip on the cylinder. We will extend the shaft by pulling it out if we need to, and then we will reroute the hoses by installing the zip tie again over here and installing the hoses with just the right amount of slack. Here you see the new hoses by Top Hydraulics, our own brand, tophydraulicsinc.com, made in Europe. That means the hose material is made in Europe and the hose assembly is made in the USA by Top Hydraulics. No cheap stuff coming from the Far East. So we'll pop this cylinder back in, bottom joint first, slide the clip back on into place, then the top joint, pop it on. This clip did slide into place by itself. Route the hoses around the hinge such that they don't touch the bottoms of the hinges. Zip tie. You can adjust the tension of the hose as you're tightening the zip tie. See that nothing gets caught on the bottom. Tighten up the zip tie. Top hydraulics hoses are a little bit longer than the original ones so that you do not run into any trouble down the road if you had to create more slack in the system. Put the hoses back into the mounting clips. Done.